did our fashion-based video related to cartoon characters. Well, this week is going to be makeup looks related to those same cartoon characters, or different, I suppose. Doesn't really make any difference. I've already applied my base makeup and some lip balm, and I've also exaggerated my eyebrows just because this is cartoony and my character is a dog. So hopefully you enjoy this, and let's go right on ahead. So my camera died and I didn't get to actually film this, so I'm just going to talk you through kind of what I did to go through from a wearable-ish look to this weird dog-inspired thing. So I wanted to do a wearable look first, so that anybody that was still looking for a way to wear their Valentine's Day makeup could do it by skipping the white eyeliner, of course, and wearing the nude and, well, the pink and nude ombre lip. I thought it would be a really nice look for Valentine's Day, but since this is inspired by a cartoon character, I added the white eyeliner and then contoured these little bits here by smiling and using pink and purple. I didn't use any black, mostly because obviously Courage is not a black dog. He has little black bits on him, but he's not black. So I used pink and purple to contour my cheeks, my jawline, my little smiley bits here, and to give myself a nose. I also added it a little bit in the temples and this section here. I added a few imperfections in the eye makeup and a few little dots here. I also added contour here just to sort of bring that out a little bit. And that's kind of all I did. It's a really, really easy look, and if you're going to a costume party, it might be really cool to dress up as the pink dog known as Courage. So hopefully you enjoyed this. It was kind of a quick video, and I'm really sorry my camera died, but give it a thumbs up if you try out the ombre lip, or anything that I've done for for that matter. And I will see you next week for another fun-filled video where hopefully my camera won't die.